Hello everyone, this is George. I'm from Wuheng, Guangzhou, China. So great to introduce our sublimation transfer paper factory for you. We have more than 10 years experience in this industry and export overseas market. Please follow me. This is our sublimation paper is ready to ship. Our sublimation paper is sold to many countries like Italy, Malaysia, and Pakistan, and others. Next, you can see our jumbo roll paper. We also sell the jumbo roll paper like our distributor and our customer use in industrial printer. For example, 70 GSM is about 9,000 meter and weight is about 1 ton. This is our high-speed cutting machine. Our high-speed cutting machine will cut in small roll in this. The machine can cut in 20,000 meter per hour. We can do any size you want, like 100 meter, 500 meter, and 1000 meter. After cutting, we are packing with this plastic bag and will this over to both sides to fix and protect it. Finally, we'll be packing in carton. Make sure that sublimation paper is delivered safely to your hand. If you are interested in the sublimation transfer paper, welcome to contact with us. We can do your quality management well and will follow all the process, include manufacturing, packing, shipping, installation, after-sales service. Thank you very much for watching.